Hi everyone, welcome to this video on how to lose 30 pounds for women. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to prioritize our health and wellness. However, making small changes to our daily routines can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple tips on how to lose 30 pounds effectively and sustainably, and I'll also give you 3 exercises that you can follow to jumpstart your weight loss journey. The first step to losing 30 pounds is to set a realistic goal. Losing 30 pounds may seem like a lot, but breaking it down into smaller, achievable goals can make it less daunting. A healthy rate of weight loss is about 1 to 2 pounds per week. So, it may take you around 4 to 6 months to lose 30 pounds. You can track your progress by taking measurements and pictures to see your body's physical changes. Exercise 1: Cardiovascular exercise. To help you achieve your weight loss goals, I recommend you do some cardiovascular exercise at least 3 times a week. A great exercise to try is jogging, running, or cycling. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes per session, and gradually increase the time as you build your endurance. Another important exercise to consider is strength training, which helps build lean muscle mass and increase your metabolism. You can try a simple bodyweight workout like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Aim for 10 to 12 reps of each exercise for 3 sets. Finally, incorporating a yoga or Pilates practice into your routine can help you develop flexibility and balance, improve your posture, and reduce stress. Try to do at least 1 yoga or Pilates session per week. The second tip is to watch your diet. Reducing your calorie intake is key to losing weight. A balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Also, consider tracking your daily caloric intake using an app or a food journal to ensure you are staying within your target calorie range. Exercise is essential for weight loss, as it helps burn calories and build muscle. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for weight loss, as it helps flush out toxins and aids in digestion. It's recommended that you drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Consider carrying a water bottle with you throughout the day to help you stay on track. The fifth and final tip is to get enough sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, as it allows your body to rest and recover. Lack of sleep can also lead to overeating and decreased energy levels, making it harder to stick to your weight loss goals. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. In conclusion, losing 30 pounds may seem daunting, but it's achievable with the right approach. Set realistic goals, watch your diet, incorporate regular exercise, stay hydrated, and get enough sleep. Remember, the key to sustainable weight loss is to make small, consistent changes to your lifestyle, and to always listen to your body. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your weight loss journey. Want to burn fat whilst you sleep? Check out the link below.